We're going to take a 1-minute walk in the rain here with a wet kitty. Had a little trouble getting across that water, I told you. You don't listen. And my pal Zoe up ahead here. And let's see. But the water's running heavy, so where we normally go down over here is not going to be the way today. Ha ha ha. And the creek is vicious down there. But here comes Happy. Come on! Here comes the other two, always lagging behind. You know, I gotta do their thing. Come on! Let's see. Here comes Gimpy. She's doing a lot better on that other leg. Come on, girl! Got it. Told you I wasn't going to wait for you. Come on. Not messing around. Then we go up my lower driveway, I call it. Used to be the alley, but no longer used, so it's all mine. Past the bamboo. Still hanging down from the ice at Bennett. Up past the apartment. My new brick. Look up the stairs. Past the rock garden with all the crystals in the... To somebody in the window. Who's in the window? Oh, I see. Decided not to go in this rain like the other knucklehead. We're at the front door. Let's go in.